Hi, my name is Gervais, Chief Economist at Farm Credit Canada, with a brief commentary on the decision of the Bank of Canada to keep its policy rate unchanged today at 5%. So not really a surprise. By far, all expectations were that the Bank of Canada was not going to do anything. Really, the action, so to speak, is likely to occur in 2024. If you look at financial markets prior to the decision today, the expectation was that there was going to be a first rate cut, or a first rate cut was fully priced in as early as April. And there was even a probability, according to them, 50-50 probability that this first rate cut could actually happen as early as March. And if you look at the timeline that financial markets have for bringing a little bit of relief in terms of interest rates, they do expect that by October, the overnight rate of the Bank of Canada will be 1% lower than it currently is. I personally think that this is a little bit aggressive in terms of timeline. Yes, consumer spending is flat on a per capita basis, is actually declining. So the economy is definitely slowing down. The excess demand that we had early in 2023 is mostly gone, and the core inflation measures are trending in the right direction, although they're still elevated, right? They're still in that 3.54% range, so a little bit higher than what the Bank of Canada would like to see. So going forward, I do think that we're going to see in 2024 a little bit of relief when it comes to the policy rate of the Bank of Canada, but I don't think that this is going to be as early as March or April. Now, as financial markets get convinced that this future rate cut is likely to happen, we're likely to see long-term interest rates continuing to decline. We've already seen a little bit of relief when it comes to long-term interest rates, as financial markets are already looking forward to what 2024 will bring. But I do think that as we get more data points with regards to inflation, with regards to the strength of the Canadian economy, or the growth that will be slowing down, I do think that we're likely to see long-term rates continuing to trend down a little bit. So I think we're going to have to stand still for a little while and wait for the Bank of Canada to get more data before we get any type of relief from the bank in terms of their policy interest rate. So for more information, I encourage you to go to our website at fcc.ca/economics.